Hold up. Did you just see that price tag? Yeah, that's real. We're talking about floating palaces that cost more than most countries' GDP. What's up, everyone? Before we dive into this insane world of billion-dollar boats, smash that like button and subscribe, because what you're about to see at number 1, it's gonna blow your mind. I'm talking about a yacht so massive, so ridiculously over the top, that it's literally longer than the Statue of Liberty is tall. And stick around till the end, because I'm revealing some crazy secrets about these yachts that nobody talks about, like which one has a missile defense system with lasers, and which $600 million yacht is currently seized and sitting in an Italian marina like the world's most expensive prisoner. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, we have Dubai. And this yacht has one of the most controversial backstories in yacht history. The price tag, $350 million to build, with another $400+ million in refits. Total investment, around $800 million. Dubai is 531 feet of pure luxury, owned by Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the ruler of Dubai. But here's the wild story. This yacht was originally built for a Brunei prince who went so over budget that a billionaire ran out of money building it. This beast can hold 115 people, 88 crew members, and 27 guests. That's like a floating hotel. The VIP suite has a private elevator going straight from the deck to the bedroom. Why walk when you're this rich? Here's what most channels don't mention. There's a Mosaic swimming pool decorated with hand-laid tiles featuring real gold pieces, not gold-plated, actual gold in the mosaic. The dining room table, made from a single piece of rare marble seating 40 people with a 2-ton chandelier hanging above. The squash court converts into a concert hall with retractable seating for 100 people. And the yacht has one of the most advanced stabilization systems ever. You can stand a champagne glass on the railing during a storm and it won't spill. Annual running cost? Around $20–30 million per year just to keep it operational. At number 4, we have Sailing Yacht A. Yes, that's actually its name, and it looks like something from a futuristic movie. The price tag? $600 million. Owned by Russian billionaire Andrei Melnichenko, this 468-foot beast is longer than a football field. But here's the crazy update for 2025. This yacht is currently seized by Italian authorities due to international sanctions. So right now, this $600 million masterpiece is just sitting in a marina like the world's most expensive parking ticket. Yeah, you heard that right. Those 3 masts each weighs 480 tons and stands 300 feet tall, taller than the Statue of Liberty's torch. They're controlled entirely by computer systems. The hull is made from special submarine-grade steel that cuts through water like butter. Here's what nobody tells you. The underwater lighting system alone cost $2 million, just the lights. There's an observation pod built into the hull where you can watch fish while sipping champagne through bomb-proof glass windows. The master suite has rotating beds that automatically adjust to wave motion so you never get seasick. Designer Philippe Starck, the same genius who designed Steve Jobs' yacht, created this floating masterpiece. This thing is basically a ghost ship of luxury right now, seized but worth more than most people will earn in 100 lifetimes.
Number 3 is Dilbar, the world's largest yacht by gross tonnage, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. The price tag? Around $600 to $800 million. Owned by Russian oligarch Alisher Usmanov, Dilbar is 512 feet long and weighs an incredible 15,917 tons, making it heavier than a Navy destroyer. Here's what makes Dilbar insane. It has the largest swimming pool ever installed on a yacht. 180 cubic meters of water. That's 47,550 gallons. You could fit 20 average hot tubs inside this pool. The yacht can accommodate 96 guests and crew, and it has 2 helipads, one at the bow and one at the stern. The power? 2 gas turbines and 4 diesel engines producing 30,000 horsepower. That's like 40 Dodge Challenger Hellcats combined. Here's a crazy detail most people skip. The air conditioning system is so powerful, it could cool 400 average American homes simultaneously. The yacht's freshwater system can produce 8,500 gallons of drinking water per day from seawater. The master suite spans an entire deck and includes a private spa, beauty salon, and a gym that rivals most professional fitness centers. There's also a snow room. Yes, a room that makes snow for post-sauna cooling. The interior? Designed by Andrew Winch, featuring rare materials including Italian marble, exotic woods, and custom-made furniture that took craftsmen years to create. Fun fact, it took 52 months to build this floating palace, and over 4,000 workers were involved in its construction. Number 2 is where we enter the billion-dollar club and the world of yacht warfare. Meet Eclipse. The price tag? $1.5 billion. Yes, $1.5 billion. Built for Russian oligarch Roman Abramovich, Eclipse is 533 feet long and held the world's largest yacht record for years. But size isn't what's crazy, it's what's hidden inside. Eclipse has a German-made missile defense system that can detect threats. This isn't a joke. We're talking military-grade protection on a private yacht. But wait, it gets crazier. Eclipse has an anti-paparazzi system with lasers that detect camera sensors and blast them with light to ruin photos. Imagine being so rich you install laser systems to fight photographers. The submarine? It holds 8 people and can stay underwater for hours. There are 2 helicopter pads, and the main one has a garage storing 3 helicopters. The elevator system alone cost $40 million. The master suite takes up an entire deck with bulletproof windows 3 inches thick that can withstand armor-piercing rounds. There's a full disco hall with professional lighting and 24 guest cabins hosting 48 people. One swimming pool transforms into a dance floor on a hydraulic platform. The wine cellar holds 5,000 bottles with a full-time sommelier on staff. Here's the kicker. Eclipse needs 70 crew members to operate, and the annual running cost is $50 to $60 million per year. That's more than most people earn in their entire lives every single year just to keep it running. This isn't just a yacht, it's a floating fortress with technology most military ships don't have. And here we are at number 1, the yacht that holds the ultimate record. Ladies and gentlemen, meet Azzam. The price tag? $600 million to build, but estimated worth today over $1 billion. Azzam was commissioned by the late Sheikh Khalifa bin Zayed Al Nahyan, who served as president of the UAE until his passing in 2022. And what makes Azzam the number 1? It's 590 feet long, making it the longest private yacht in the entire world. That's nearly 2 football fields. That's longer than the Washington Monument is tall. But here's where it gets legendary. Azzam can hit 32 knots, that's 37 miles per hour. You might think that's not fast, but for a yacht this massive, that's like a skyscraper doing a sprint. Most yachts this size max out at 20 knots. Azzam is the Bugatti of yachts. The hull design took 3 years just to engineer, using technology originally developed for military frigates. The propulsion system features 4 gas turbines and 2 diesel engines generating 94,000 horsepower. That's equivalent to 63 Lamborghini Aventadors. The interior was designed by legendary French designer Christophe Léonie with an open-plan layout spanning 18,000 square meters. That's 4 times the size of an average American home, and that's just 1 floor. There's a salon so massive, it needs special structural support columns plated in real gold, not gold-colored paint, actual gold plating. And here's what nobody mentions. Azzam has its own submarine docking bay hidden in the hull. This yacht can launch a submarine while cruising. The engineering achievement achievement alone makes this yacht worth every penny, combining record-breaking size with record-breaking speed, required innovation that changed yacht design forever. It took 4 years to build, with 4,000 workers involved. The sea trials alone took months because nothing this large had ever moved this fast through water. This is the pinnacle of yacht engineering, the longest, one of the fastest, and absolutely the most impressive yacht ever built. So, there you have it, the top 5 most expensive yachts in the world, from missile defense systems and laser anti-paparazzi tech to a $600 million yacht sitting seized in Italy. These floating palaces prove that when you have unlimited money, there are literally no limits. Which one was your favorite? Team Eclipse with the military tech or Team Azzam with the record-breaking length and speed? Let me know in the comments. And before you go, here's a bonus fact. There's a legendary yacht called History Supreme, rumored to cost $4.8 billion, with solid gold and platinum plating, dinosaur bones, and meteorite walls. But here's the twist. Nobody's actually seen it. Is it real or the greatest yacht hoax ever? What do you think? Drop your theories below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon because next week I'm dropping a video on private jets that cost more than small countries. Thanks for watching, and remember, dream big, work hard, and maybe one day you will be cruising on one of these. See you in the next one.